Elon Moreh is one of the most northern Jewish communities in Samaria. This might be your first day, second day in Israel, and just like Abraham, the father of the faith, you're here. One of your first days in Israel, and that's exciting. Here we are on Mount Kabir with the biblical city of Shechem behind us. Shechem lies between two mountains, Mount Gerizim and Mount HaYovel. Mount Gerizim is called the Mount of Blessing, and Mount HaYovel is called the Mount of Curse. When Joshua and the tribes of Israel came into the land, half of the tribes stood on one side of the mountain, half the tribes stood on the other side, on the other mountain, and recited the blessings and the curses.
Reattach ourselves to the faith of David is important for us because most of the Psalms were inspired by the place that you're looking at right now. Most of all.
Here we are in the Jewish neighborhood of Hebron. It's amazing to connect with this city, with the city of the patriarchs where Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob are buried.
Now this was also the place where David was crowned king of Israel. He reigned here for 7 years.